In the previous video lesson, we learned that molecular orbitals are formed by two possibilities. One is by the linear combination of atomic orbitals having in-phase wave, that is by addition, or else by the out-of-phase wave combination, that is by subtraction. In this video lesson, let us learn regarding the formation of the bonding molecular orbital, which is occurring by the combination of atomic orbitals linearly by addition. Now what is getting added up? Why is it getting added up? Let us have a deeper look at it. Now I have represented diagrammatically an atomic orbital as an electron wave here. This is of atom A and this is of atom B. And wave function is indicated by the psi symbol. Because it is of the atom A, I have written it as psi A. As I have already told you in the previous videos, that an electron wave is consisting of a crest and a trough. To distinguish between the crest and the trough of a wave, scientists have given notations as plus and minus. Crest is indicated by a positive sign and trough is indicated by a negative sign. Similarly, we have another atom B and its atomic orbital electron wave is also given by a wave with the crest and the trough having this notations. Now we see that these two atoms wave functions are alike. That means the crest will overlap with the crest and the trough will overlap with the trough. That means it is in phase wave which is participating for the linear combination. Therefore, when they combine these two wave functions, psi A plus psi B, when they combine, what is the product that we are going to get when we are going to have this addition there? It forms psi small b. Small b indicates bonding molecular orbital. So the product obtained by the in-phase wave, we are going to add the wave function. Addition of wave function has to be done in such a case because it is in-phase wave which is undergoing linear combination, resulting in the formation of what happens when the amplitudes are getting added up. Because it is in phase wave, it gets increased, and that is what is diagrammatically represented here. The amplitude has increased and this is the crest of this wave and this is the trough of the wave indicated by a positive and a negative sign. And what is this finally indicating? This is psi small b. What is small b? Bonding molecular orbital. This is equal to psi A plus psi B, wave function of the two atomic orbitals. Now let us do some mathematical calculation for this particular equation. On squaring both sides, what's that we are going to get? Psi B square will be equal to psi A square plus psi B square plus 2 psi A psi B. It is like the equation A plus B whole square. Now what are these each term that are indicating here? Let us have a look at it. Psi A square and psi B square indicates probable electron density in the two atomic orbitals. These are the atomic orbitals which are undergoing the linear combination to form the molecular orbitals. So in that, it is talking about the probable electron density. Then what is this psi b square? Psi small b square. This is a small b that I am talking about. Small b indicates molecular orbital, bonding molecular orbital to be more specific. So psi b square indicates electron density in the molecular orbital. Now, as a result of this particular equation, when we are trying to equate psi b square, how is that getting equated with? Psi A square plus psi B square, it's not just equal to this, but in addition to this we also need to add another component, that is 2 psi A psi B, which is a clear indication that if I were to leave this constant, then psi b square is not equal to psi a square plus psi b square. That means psi b square is greater than psi a square plus psi b square. This is an important equation that you need to keep in mind. What is this equation indicating after all finally to us? It is communicating that probability of finding the electron between the nuclei in the molecular orbital is more than finding the electron density, probability of finding the electron density away from the nuclei. That means in the molecular orbitals which are obtained as a result of addition of wave function, where we should locate for the electron density, where will the probability be more? It is probability is more between the nuclei than away from the nuclei. So this is how we have the formation of a molecular orbital, that is bonding molecular orbital, which is as a result of addition of the wave function. Why are we adding the wave function? Because it is in phase wave. That means the crest overlaps with the crest and the trough overlaps with the trough.